You've been looking at grey SUVs for so long that you've forgotten colours exist. Porsche clearly didn't get the memo. Today we've got this absolutely stunning Porsche Macan GTS finished in Python green. It's subtle as you think, probably isn't the car for you. Just look at it, every other SUV in the supermarket car park is busy being 50 shades of grey, and then this turns up looking like it's escaped from a Porsche press launch. At the front you've got these incredible tinted LED headlights with Porsche Dynamic Light System Plus. Not only do they look fantastic, but they're smart enough to adapt to the road ahead. Moving down the side, you've got the sports design side skirts finished in satin black, paired with the black exterior styling package. And then my favourite detail, the Python green GTS logos on the side plates, which apparently having a Python green GTS just wasn't enough. And filling these arches beautifully are the 21-inch GT design wheels finished in satin black. These wheels absolutely complement the look because apparently 440 horsepower is impressive for having seen the alloy wheels. Above you there's a panoramic glass roof which completely transforms the cabin experience, flooding the interior with natural light, making the car feel even more spacious.
Now let's take a look inside, because this is where things get seriously special. Welcome to what can only be described as a place where Porsche design team had an unhealthy obsession with Python green. There is more Python in this car than there is in the Amazon jungle. Up front we've got adaptive 18-way electric sport seats. Whether you're heading out on a long motorway journey or enjoying your favourite B road, there's a setting for everyone. The carbon interior package continues throughout the cabin. That gives this a genuine motorsport inspired feel. No fake carbon stickers from the internet. This is the real deal. Then you've got this heated GT Sport steering wheel finished in race text with carbon inlays. This is the sort of steering wheel that makes you take the long route home every single time. You've also got surround view cameras, comfort access, speed limit indicator, automatic dimming mirrors and power steering plus. Basically all the technology you would actually want to use every day. So if you're looking for a Macan that blends performance, practicality and enough Python green to make every grey SUV owner question life choices, then this could be the one. Get in touch with the team here at Porsche Centre Sheffield today and come and see this for yourself.